Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the 2016 Ram, and we are going to be swapping out these license plate bulbs. One of them's out. By law, you have to have both. If it's original equipment, it has to be equipped with it. So you can be stopped if these go out. So it is an easy and cheap way to do it. But we're going to swap it out with LEDs. Typically, this is a 194 bulb. Sometimes you can fit a 912 in there, or a 921. But we're going to swap it out. I'll link everything down below so you can buy this stuff on the Zon if you want. And these bulbs are the ones I've been using for a long time, do really well. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button. Helps my small channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell. So behind here, you're going to reach up into the bumper and you'll feel the wiring harness. You're going to counterclockwise left, and you can see we dropped it down. Look, Mom, no hands. So we're going to pull this one out. This feels like a 194 bulb to me. And like I said, sometimes you won't be able to necessarily fit one in there. And when you can brighten this up, if your truck has a rear view camera back here, then it'll actually illuminate more for you also to see at night. So right there is the harness. We're going to pop that 194 bad boy out and swap it with another 194. Now these are the 194s I like to use. They are sealed, so the bumper does get a lot of moisture and splash. Now when you put them in, if they don't illuminate the first time, then sometimes you have to reverse the polarity. So pull it out, turn it 180 and snap it back in. Now we can see how much brighter that is compared to your stock one. Now what you can do is just keep your key handy so you can test it, and just hit the unlock button and it will illuminate your license plate. So now we're going to snap it back in here, and you can see that it lights up substantially more. Now you won't be able to fit a 190 or 912 in there. You see our lights very, very close to this, but so much more light. And so cheap and easy. So just do the same thing on the other side, counterclockwise quarter turn, pull the bulb out, swap the new one in, and you are golden. If you felt like, man, just in case, you can keep the old bulbs, just in case they're functioning. In case one of these lights goes out, you can swap in the meantime. But these ones that I'm going to link below come in a pack of like 10, so I would just keep a couple of extra of those in the truck. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Catch you on the next one.